Welcome to the YouTube channel from the company SCHURZ in Austria. I am proud to present you a complete new product from our production. It is a special combination of a standard forklift truck with a special attachment which is a special side shift attachment. Why you need this combination? This combination is special built for to load up the weights, the loads from the truck outside of the hall, but which can perfectly done with this front lift truck. But this front lift truck can then drive into the storage, into the hall, and in this hall often some customer has narrow aisle systems, and that means you need a very small truck in the wide. And this special attachment allows to store the loads inside into the shelves of the narrow aisle. This special attachment has additional tilting equipment, so that the tilting is active in every position. So in this position, when the forks shows in the left side, also to the front and also to the right side. Yes, and this combination is produced for load weights of 1,200 kilograms up to a lifting height of 3.8 meters. Over that and up to 4.4 meters you can transport loads with 1,000 kilograms. The attachment himself can carry 1.5 ton loads, but it depends of course a little bit of the truck. What we have done is, of course, we have made some modifications in the mast that it is possible to have load centers outside of the truck. Additionally, we have fixed the mast, so there is no possibility to tilt the mast. We have made some modification in the rollers and so on. That is important, that the truck is strong enough to handle side loads. Of course, the complete truck and the complete system is CE conform, and we make all tests which are necessary to get the CE confirmation. Yes, and how it works I will show you now in a short video. Goodbye from Styria, and I hope you enjoy it, and please like our channel, and if you want, you can follow us also via Facebook.